The first thing you should do, after purchasing a bandwagon host VPS, is to change the SSH port and switch from password login to key-based login to prevent brute force attacks and keep your server secure. First, go to Services, My Services, and access the KeyWeb control panel from there. I'll cover the KeyWeb panel in more detail in future videos, but today we'll focus on how to change the SSH port and enable key-based login. If you're not satisfied with the default operating system, you can reinstall one that suits your needs. In this example, I'll use Debian 12. First, shut down the server. Then go to Install New OS, select Debian 12, check the confirmation box, and click Reload. At this point, the system will begin installing the new OS and display the SSH port number and login password. After waiting a short while, once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email that includes the new system credentials such as the IP address, password, and SSH port number. Next, let's download an SSH login tool. Go to putty.org and under Download Putty, choose the version that matches your system. In this case, I'll use the Windows 64-bit version. After installing Putty, open the program. In the hostname field, enter your VPS IP address in the format root at xxx.xxx.xxx.xxx. Set the port to 22, and in the Saved Sessions field, enter a name you'd like to save for this session, then click Save. Select the saved session and double-click to open it. Copy the password, then in the SSH window, right-click your mouse to paste it, then press Enter. You'll now be logged into your server. Now, let's change the SSH port. Run the command cd, etc. SSH to enter the SSH configuration directory. Run the command nano sshd_config. Scroll down to the bottom using your keyboard and modify the port to 39001. Press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter to save the changes. The port is now modified, but it's not active yet. To apply the changes, run system-to-restart sshd. This will restart the SSH service and apply the new port setting. Important, do not close your current Putty window yet. Open a new Putty window, load the session you saved earlier, change the port to the one you just set, in this case 39001, and click Save. Then double-click the saved session. If a prompt appears asking for your password, that means the new high port SSH setting is working correctly. You can now safely close the original Putty session window. After that, you can follow the previous steps. Right-click to paste the SSH password and log in. Next, I'll show you how to disable password login and switch to key-based authentication. First, open Putty Key Generator, click Generate, and move your mouse around the blank area until a key pair is generated. Click Save Private Key to save your private key to a designated location. Then, in the dialog box, select and copy the generated public key. In the Putty session you opened earlier, run cd.ssh. Then run nano-authorized_keys. Right-click to paste the public key into the file. Press Ctrl+X, then choose Y, and press Enter to save. Your public key is now ready on the server. Next, run .cd, etc. ssh, then nano sshd_config. Use the arrow keys to find the line. Hashtag pubkey authentication yes. Delete the hash using the backspace key to uncomment the line. Then find hashtag password authentication yes. Change it to password authentication no. Press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter to save. This disables password login and enables key-based login, but the change hasn't taken effect yet. Now run system.out restart sshd. This will restart the SSH service, making the changes effective. Open a new PuTTY window, load the session you saved earlier. On the left panel, go to Category gives connection gives SSH gives auth gives credentials. Browse and select the private key you saved earlier. Then return to session, click Save, and double-click the saved session to connect. This time, you'll log into your VPS using your private key. You've now built a highly secure VPS server.